a fucker, you know sexer. You know, no love, you don't know how to romance him and bring him down and bring him in and nature. So you have to rape them. And every woman, you die and yarn, you do everything to him. And he not take off in drugs.
I have to take care.
And you have to take care.
Well, then you have to tell God, come on.
You're hypocrite, you know. You know what, sir? You know what, sir? You go in a fast gear when you touch a woman panty.
Eh?
Yeah, idiot. No sense. You see when you touch a woman breast, you see when you show me tongue in a woman mouth, idiot, rough, crab it. You don't know nothing about sex. I fuck from your barn, I fuck you there for. Rape our people, girl pick me. And talk fuck with. You ever hold on girl breast in the yard and rub it, settling going a season. If you mind shop in you never know say in this shot for himself. Play with him breast.
Put her in a gear.
I hag fuck them here. I'm not in the hag. They are grown there, they are going to lick him pussy. And grow. You don't jump in a woman being so man. The woman must go in a climax. From your barn and fuck you there fuck.
Yes, at the same time, I'm going
to ask you something. Try answer it. Out of your mouth and your body hole, which one are the best part of your body? Out of your mouth and your body, which one are the best part?
That's a good question. Because two of them serve them purpose. The mouth of you put your butt up your shit out.
But out of the woman pussy and the woman mouth, which one are the most important part?
The most important part? That's not the whole body important.
Then when you talk about you want to suck your man pussy, you don't suck him, man. What wrong with you, man? What's wrong with you? The woman should be tongue in your mouth. You should be your tongue in the woman's mouth. The woman suck your tongue. That's why you should your prick in your mouth and he suck prick. How? No. Ah, Jesus Christ. You know, fight of understand. The woman catch your prick, they suck it. But he can't suck your tongue.
Yes.
Bumbo class. Why use the prick upon your if a man take a knife and go so whoop in your prick and take one knife and go so whoop in your ass clot mouth. Which part you feel it?
The two parts of your
The two parts?
Yes.
So what is the difference of the prick and the mouth? And a flesh. A gristle make up your mouth, you know. And flesh. A gristle make up your prick and skin. You want sucking or sucking or? The woman get the enjoyment. Me want, listen me man. You don't understand life. Grand. Let me help you out, man. You don't understand life. No man can make you comfortable in life. No man.
Well, that's what the world want to
No
know.
God.
Yes.
You can listen, man, to know. No man couldn't make nobody comfortable from birth. And you have to make your fucking self comfortable.
Yes.
Man, we ask your grand, where you want to come? You never come now. Where you don't want to be comfortable? You're telling say you want house, you want car, you want money, all where you want in handed to you. And you got them. And if you don't make your bum box yourself comfortable, you can't comfortable. Make the woman comfortable. You love the woman and you want the woman. And I suck you up, you suck him pussy, feel comfortable. Suck your pussy and make the woman enjoy it. So you probably left you know another man go fuck you. And suck you. And he go suck another man prick and come shoot tongue down in your mouth. You go know? You don't must know. Me prefer suck to me prick, sir. Me no want thing go suck John prick. And come down me come shoot tongue down in my mouth. And if me love me woman and me want him, me not that you. Me love me woman and me and him. We can agree and we can card. And it's a penny piece. Me want comfortable. And if you suck me pussy, me comfort. And suck pussy making comfort. And me want me woman to comfort.
Come here, nice girl, nice girl.
All the way from
Come here, nice girl.
Orange Bridge.
What you call it?
But look what about kill themselves over. I will tell the piece they run from.
Nice girl.
You no fool, no rat. Hey,
I didn't know.
Tanisha.
I didn't know.
Hear that, Tanisha. Listen, hear that.
I didn't know heaven
Hear that.
holiday today. Why you down here, man?
When you come back,
That is an angel, man. Angel passing. Angel passing.
you love little guitar. So you that's up the pussy.
Why you come with that thing, Johnny?
I young little bit, you lick the pussy.
You don't look about. They don't want to sit there. Never do that food in it. Then Granny Weaver is gone to know.
You know love.
The world.
Which word?
Me not going to that.
You know love.
Me know what's me no love then. Because for that me love me.
When last time man walk at your doorway?
I do away.
Come in at your house.
You know what I said?
Me ask you, yeah, yes or no?
Me got ship it to you man one night, you know.
Eh?
Me would have ship it.
We not talk about Lord man kill out the usual man.
Yes.
Me say when last time man walk at your doorway?
Oh, you know.
No bother with the usual. Me no know nothing. Me no say me know me not.
You got.
No the usual no in I. No usual no in I. Man can't change.
Yes,
Man change.
You got you man over.
Man change.
You see? Which one you first to about that?
What?
Which one you want him first?
I know say me ask you.
But if you ask a question, no.
No, so then they are fuck
Me
with.
ask a question.
Me ask you say when last time man walk at your doorway? Must either yes. I know that me a talk about. I know trouble me a talk about. Me say when one woman walk at your doorway?
Eh? No, some nigga. Me say you got 2 man on bed. And you had the one man, you got the 2 man there. Which one of them first to do? Out of the 3 man.
Me never got no true man pan bed.
Me got that already, man.
Already?
Yes.
Oi,
Let me tell you something, man.
mouth please cross every talk anything.
Me go and tell you, man, listen, man.
You don't want to hear them fuck with Elijah and I talk I commit pan himself. God, who is God? A lie, who is God? He said God kill him, who is God? Ah, you fuck with. But you got 3 woman. Me would like to see them the 3 baby.
I tell you, people, you're trouble, you understand?
Trouble?
The last one, where you get in trouble, and the one you love. You understand? Because I understand love you try them now. You understand?
Where you get in the trouble?
If you're trouble, the one where you love man, you got no nature fit to the world.
Oh, John.
Yeah?
John,
Man,
what that got to do with when me ask him, say when last one woman walk at your doorway? What? The woman where you want trouble, what that got to do with it?
When last one walk of you?
They say what that
When last one walk of you?
None, all yesterday, all Friday.
Go and pass me out every day.
Me walk at your doorway?
Well, any one of you, everywhere there. You understand? So not hear that man.
When last one woman put up your bed and lie down side of you?
What you know that, you know?
When last you hear one woman peace?
I didn't see that as well. One piece of
What do you man? You die yard and woman man.
every day, every night, one piece.
You ever hear one, when last year one man a piece in a chamber?
Never hear them piece again.
What?
God damn.
Nothing sweet so when woman had done a shot piece of brrrr in a chamber, not make sure that they kick so. Grant up your mad smaddy, one little smaddy a Burma. And Burma did young and rape him.
So you miss them, put all you want.
Did young man. A long time you no see me now.